Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video on business line of credit that you could get up to $750,000, people, with a soft pull. I'm going to show you how. Right now, I'm doing this business line of credit because, you know, I did a lot of business line of credit videos in the past, different banks. You know, I got a list. Let's go back on the channel. I'm ranging anywhere from $10,000 up to $250,000. Now, I've been getting a lot of people in the past 6 months saying, hey, I know you've been doing videos up to that $250,000, but do you have anything higher? $500,000, $1 million. Do you have any business lines of credit in that area? Now, yes, I have multiple videos that I could give and I can make and show you how to get the business line of credit. But again, your business got to be generating a good amount of money. Now, I'm going to walk you through this real easy and simple. This is backed. Now, I'm going to let you know this will be a soft pull, so please don't have a lock on your experience, because they will be looking at your experience, but they will not be basing your approval off your credit report at all, people. We're going to get into that, right? So before we talk about the business line of credit, let's go over to the other product that they have. Let's talk about their working capital that range from $25,000 to $2 million. And the data that you're going to need to get approved for that is pretty much similar of the business line of credit, but as you see right here, you need to be in business of at least 1 year, 650 credit score, making $100,000 monthly revenue in your business, a business banking account, a US based business, right? So we're going to get into the business line of credit, but to get the working capital, this is what you need. And as you see, no matter what I say or anybody say, go to Trustpilot, and they got a 4.9 ratings when it comes to that, right? So let's go over to the business line of credit, because this is what I'm always getting emails on. A lot of people always saying, give me more videos on the business line of credit. Now, with this business line of credit, it ranges from a minimum, people, 50,000 going up to that 750,000. Now, let's say you get approved for the 750,000, but you only use 250,000 this month. You will only be charged for what you are using. That 250,000 that you withdraw from that 750,000, you will be only charged interest on that, which is really good. And as you see right here, soft credit pull won't affect your credit score. A lot of times people get worked up when I'm telling you, but it's right here in black and white, people. And no matter what I say, get on the phone with customer service, people. You get on the phone with customer service. The phone number is right here, people, and ask all the questions that you need, right? And it's very easy and simple. You can apply online and get a decision as little as 24 hours. And this is another question a lot of people is always asking me. This is why I try to make sure it's in the video, right? Repayment between 6 months and 12 months. You know, for me, when I'm looking for business line of credit, I'm going 18 months to 2 years. But again, if you just getting in the game, you might be generating a lot of money. It doesn't matter. You might just need 12 months. This might be for you, right? Again, your credit automatically reload as you pay your balance. So if you use that whole $750,000, it'll just keep renewing over and over. You don't have to worry about that, right? And the data right here, the only thing with the business line of credit and the working capital is that you need to be in business at least 2 years, people. 650, and your business got to be generating at least $100,000 a month. Now, I know a lot of people that may be following my channel might be saying, hey, my business don't make that much. I make about 20,000, 30,000. But for those videos, go back on my old videos. I got a lot of business line of credit where if your business only making 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 that you could go ahead and apply for and get approved. This is for people that got businesses that is generating good amount of money, and you're looking for a high limit with that business line of credit. This might be for you, right? So let's go over to the application so you can see how it is. And again, if you want that business line of credit or the working capital, the difference between these two is, again, with the business line of credit, you got to be in a business at least 2 years. With the working capital, all you need is 1 year, right? So let's click onto the business line of credit, and you got to see what you're looking for. So if you're looking for that 450 to close to that $750,000, you will hit that, and then you will hit next. Let me move this over real quick. You will hit next right here. Once you go here, what do you need the funding for? Everybody's different. Might be payroll, equipment. expansion, marketing, others, inventory, renovation, repairs, taxes. It could be for many things. For me, I'm always looking for marketing. I'm always looking for inventory. It might be for equipment. You just never know. Depends what field you are, right? So let's just say you need it for some equipment that you might have just purchase a restaurant, a bar, a store, a vegan store, a juicing spot. Don't matter what it is, you could get some funding for your equipment, right? You hit next. Once you go here, what is your annual revenue in your business? Again, it could be different. We got people on the low end, we got people on the high end. So you might be, again, in this range of 100,000 to 350,000. You'll click next, right? And then once you get to this point right here, you'll fill out your personal information, first, last, address, again, state, city, your contact information. Once you do this, you will go over, as you see on the left hand side, business details, business information, EIN number. You have to connect your business checking account with Plaid. They got to go into your business checking account. They got to make sure your business is actually generating the requirement money that you need to get this approval, right? Get your financial information, and at that point you could get your decision, people. So again, this is a quick video on our business line of credit that you could get up to that, that high limit of $750,000. Again, this is not going to be for everybody, but if your business is generating that money, this might be for you. So again, man, get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.